Let's assume that if you open this video, you want to start your own streaming platform. Now, that's a difficult task. We agree with you. But don't worry. Today, we'll walk you through all the ins and outs of making your own product and answer the big question: how to make a live streaming app. We're Jelvix, software development partner for industry leaders. You're on our channel, weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Also, use the Super Thanks feature to support our channel. We'll appreciate it and deliver more great content. First, let's talk about the types of live streaming apps. We have live broadcasting apps like Twitch and YouTube Live. These platforms allow creators to share content with large audiences. Then we have audio-only streaming, like Spotify or Apple Music. These platforms allow users to listen to music, audiobooks, or podcasts without downloading them into the device's memory. And finally, we have video-on-demand platforms like Netflix and Hulu that primarily focus on pre-recorded content, but also have started offering live streaming too. So now, let's move on to creating a live streaming app. Like a game of chess, you've got to plan your moves. So, step by step. It all begins with market research and defining your app concept. The main thing is to understand that preconceptions and guesses are your enemies. So you need to gather clear data about the needs of your target audience. Ask yourself the question: who are my users? What do they like to watch? What devices do they use? And so on. If you get this kind of feedback early in the development process, the next stages will be an easy walk. Trust our experience. Once you've got a clear picture of what your app should be, it's time to move on to the design phase. Here, you get to decide how your app looks and feels. We believe that all our viewers are talented people and can handle the development and creation of UI/UX design on their own. However, the best advice here is to invest in hiring specialists. In terms of specific steps, consider a minimalist, content-oriented design. After all, the main thing on the platform will be the videos, not the patterns in the background. Here, let's make a quick stop. You already passed the market research and design phase, but we also need to include some cool features, don't we? A live streaming app is like a theater. The show is only as good as the supporting cast. Features like video editing capabilities, rewind, pause, and playback, or options to record streams and watch later will make your app much more appealing to users. High-quality video and audio are a given, but there's so much more. Things like chat options, push notifications, and user analytics can take your app from good to great. And let's not forget about social media integration, allowing users to share their live streams directly to their social platforms or invite friends to watch along. That's how your app gains traction. After all, the more the merrier, right? And what about monetization options? In-app purchases, subscriptions, or premium profiles where users can access certain features for free and pay for others can be a great way to monetize your app. A feature we at Jelvix are particularly proud of incorporating into our projects is adaptive bitrate streaming. This adjusts the quality of the video in real time according to the viewer's network and processing capabilities. It means for a smoother viewing experience for users, regardless of internet speed. It's that kind of detail that can make your app stand out from the crowd. So, you have a concept, design, and features all lined up. What comes next? Subscribing to our channel, obviously. All done? Now we can move on to the development stage, the part where all your plans take form. This is the most labor-intensive and time-consuming part of the process. The development stage usually involves front-end and back-end development, API integration, and setting up servers for streaming. Now, once the development is complete, it's time for testing. This stage is crucial to ensure all your features work seamlessly and the user experience is top-notch. It involves checking the app's performance, security features, and how it responds under various network conditions. We at Jelvix never compromise on testing because delivering a well-functioning app is our top priority. And finally, after all the hard work comes the moment of truth: launching your app. It's time to bring your creation to the world. But remember, folks, the work doesn't stop at the launch. Regular updates, new features, and improvements are part of the ongoing story. Creating a live streaming app is a journey, and like any journey, it does have its challenges. But with the right guide by your side, it can lead to amazing results. At Jelvix, we have a team of experts who can help you turn your app idea into a reality. And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes our talk on how to make a live streaming app. Remember, the secret ingredient is always a passion. So if you're passionate about bringing your live streaming app to life, there's nothing stopping you. To give you even more passion, we recommend watching our video about the product development process. It'll be handy in this case. Also, support us by liking this video and leaving a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Bye for now.